Welcome to the Health Shrine Herbal series. I'm Master Law. Today's healing herb is Fritillaria bulb, or Chuan Bei Mu. It's cool in nature, under the metal element, working with the lungs and heart. Its main use is to clear phlegm, stop stubborn coughs, and moisten dryness. Fritillaria contains alkaloids like peimine, which help relax smooth muscles, reduce inflammation, and act as natural cough suppressants. That's why it's a favorite for chronic dry coughs or lingering bronchitis. Have you ever tried Fritillaria in a pear syrup for cough relief? Let me know in the comments, ask your health questions, and check the Health Shrine store for more formulas.